Dedicated to St. Mary of the Assumption, the Cathedral of Orvieto is one of Italy's few cathedrals that can compete with the great French and German and English cathedrals of the north. In fact, the structure was begun in the year 1290. Some believe it was designed by the great Arnolfo di Cambio, who was the same architect of Florence Cathedral. And the structure stands as the symbol of the great medieval city of Orvieto, which during the 13th and 14th centuries was self-governing, but eventually became part of the Papal States. But the most spectacular part of Orvieto Cathedral is its facade. The combination of marble relief sculpture, vertical architectural elements, mosaics, and that beautiful rose window make it one of the most extraordinary accomplishments of medieval Italian architecture. The sides of Orvieto Cathedral are characterized by this green and white banding that you see, but also by this unusual element of these external semicircular chapels, 5 of them in total on each side, which may have served as inspiration to Filippo Brunelleschi in his design of Santo Spirito in Florence. The interior of Orvieto Cathedral carries on this almost obsessive use of green and white striping and is home to 2 of Italy's most important chapels. One of which is dedicated to San Brizio, who was Orvieto's patron saint, and which contains frescoes by the celebrated artists Fra Angelico and Luca Signorelli. The other chapel instead contains Orvieto's most important relic, a cloth napkin, or corporeal, upon which allegedly a host began to bleed back in the 13th century in a church on the shores of a nearby lake called Bolsena.